Hi there, Ivan from the Lacroix Cruiser. How to install valve cover gaskets on a Detroit diesel. When installing these valve cover gaskets, you'll quickly learn that they don't fit on the first pass around. So I'm not stretching it, I'm just putting it in, and you'll see that I'll end up with a bit of a surplus. Now, when you have that surplus, do not, and let me repeat that, do not cut the surplus away. It's designed this way. What you need to do is compress it as you're going around. And it might take a couple laps around the valve cover to get it in. So while I'm doing that, let me talk to you about a few other things. The groove that this is setting in needs to be clean. So make sure that you've got it all cleaned out. You've got nothing left over in there. The other thing, the bolts that hold these down are shoulder bolts. So they only go in a certain way, so you can't over tighten this. And they have big rubber bumpers that hold this on. So again, you can't over tighten. So don't worry about squeezing this out. And you'll see that I've only done half a lap, and we've already gained a fair bit here. Now these gaskets have previous experience. They're not brand new, and they are reusable. Just look at the face of them, make sure the face is nice and clean, no scratches or cuts, and you can reuse them. So we're almost there. And sometimes when these gaskets are new, it might take 2 or 3 laps to get them in. I've had one take more than that. But it just takes a bit of patience, a bit of time, and you'll eventually get your gasket in all the way. While you had your valve covers off, I hope you checked for leaks in your fuel system. Check the adjustment of your rack, check the adjustment of your valves. They're all simple adjustments that can easily be done without a lot of specialized tools and without a lot of work. There we have it. The gasket fits. It's on all the way around. When we put it on the head, it will seal beautifully. So putting this on, very easy. Put it on our head. Put the bolt in, and as I was saying, it's a shoulder bolt, and it has these big rubber bumpers. Once we get it in there, find the little hole, and you notice the end of it was pointed. So it makes it easier, and use a 3/8 12-point socket or 12-point wrench or socket to be able to put this in. And you go until it stops. As always, if you have any questions, comments, ideas, or thoughts, please share them in the comments below. You can find us on YouTube, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram under the Lacroix Cruiser name. Thanks a lot.